Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to link Wise account to PayPal. Alright, let's begin. First of all, open the PayPal application on your mobile device and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. Now, if you are doing this process through the app, all you have to do is tap on your wallet at the bottom right corner of the screen and immediately, you will have the option to add a bank account. So tap Add Banks and Cards and go through the process of linking your Wise account to PayPal. Simply select between bank or debit and credit cards and follow the instructions on screen to finish linking your Wise account. As you can see, this interface might be slightly different to you, but it is asking me to be redirected to their website. I'm just going to close this, but you should go ahead and follow the instructions on screen. So that's basically how you can link Wise account to PayPal. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.